What up though? It's your boy Philip J. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a soft reset on your Samsung Galaxy S21. So let's log into it. Alright, now go to the settings. So swipe down, up top right. And then actually you'll come up here and just scroll all the way down to about phone. And then when you get here, go to software, looking for something else, reset. And once you're here, so you have different type of options. You want to reset all settings, network, reset your network settings, reset accessibility settings. Now, factory data reset, that's the complete one. So let's click that one, scroll down, hit reset. And then just enter your password here. Once you enter your password, you're going to get this pop up and hit delete all. Alright, and there it is. So then just click through all the stuff as you have before. I don't want Google seeing any of my stuff. There you go. And that's how you do a factory reset for the new Samsung Galaxy S21 phones. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are in the comments below. Thanks.